Hey crafters, welcome back to Craft Hits. Today I'm going to be making Ekans out of air dry clay. I'm sorry for anyone who doesn't like snakes, but I figured Ekans needed some love after being a member of Team Rocket. Hope you all enjoy, and please let me know if you do by hitting that like button. The first step is to make a platform for Ekans to sit on. My intention is for the platform to resemble a grassy spot like a Pokémon battle scene. I curled up a long string of clay to make the body. I use water and a soft silicone tool to smooth out any cracks that appear. To make the tail, I made a bunch of small little balls and lightly squished them together. I then used a toothpick to bind them all together with Ekans' body. For the head, I shaped an elongated ball and then cut a slit with my plastic clay knife. I used another small bit of clay for the tongue. Then I made a band out of clay and put it in between the head and the body using another toothpick to bind them all together.
No way.
Lastly, for phase 1, I put 2 eyes on to tie it all together. This stage took about 30 minutes to finish the complete look. After several days of air drying, the clay is ready to paint. I always start with the bottom, and in this case, I'm going with a grass green look. For painting like this, I do it in 2 phases. The first is with broader strokes to get the base layer down, and then the second is to finish all the little details. It usually takes a couple hours or a full day for a layer of paint to dry, depending on the thickness, and I usually always do 2 to 3 layers as needed. For the body, I went with an amethyst purple color. For the tail, band, and eyes, I went with a lemon yellow color. The only complaint I have for my work here is that the tail wound up being a little bit too straight. I didn't realize that until after the drying process was done though. Ekans has black slits for eyes, so I can't forget that. And to finish it all off, I painted the tongue and mouth pink. Once I'm satisfied with the paint job, I paint a thick layer of sealer on the whole sculpture to seal it all in and protect it. I just used basic glue and mixed it in with a little bit of water for the sealer. This usually takes a day or two to dry as well. In total, it took close to 2 hours to finish sculpting and painting Ekans. Thank you all for watching, and if you want to see more Pokemon art just like this, go ahead and check out my Pokemon playlist. Please do let me know if you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you do. It really helps, and it's completely free. I really appreciate all of your support, and also check out our store at dhits.com. We do sell all kinds of merchandise. Use the code CRAFTHITS to get 10% off. The link is in the description below. As always, hope you have a wonderful day.